Let me be real clear. If you are perfectly okay just working, bending, and sliding through life without a plan for your money or your legacy, go ahead and swipe right. Seriously, this ain't for you. If you got a job making good money, but deep down you feel clueless or care less about what would happen if something happened to you, go ahead, log off. No shade, just honesty. Actually, I'll wait. Okay. But if you are a high achieving, professional woman who's done everything right by society's eye, but still feel unprotected when it comes to your money and your legacy, look, girl, I see you. You're bringing in six figures. You built a career. You got the title, including doctor. You got the car. You got the bag. You got all that. Maybe even a little piece. Deep down, you know the truth. You secured the income, not the impact. You secured the stuff, but it's just fluff. Yes, it's shiny and pretty, but it has little substance or any value. Sis, pull up your chair. Because if something happened to you tomorrow, would your family know what to do? Would your wealth move with intention? Come on. You know your family will be left in chaos if you weren't here tomorrow. Okay, okay. You would rather just let the state step in and go ahead and decide what to do for your family and your stuff, right? Oh, don't get it twisted. They already got something written out for you. It's no mystery. Most people think budget, a little savings account, your retirement account, that's enough. It's not. Real legacy requires real protection. And look, that's why I created Secure the Bag Society, a free online community. It's not just a community. I want you to understand that. It is not just a community, but it is a movement designed to help high income, particularly women of color like you, go beyond the paycheck and into wealth protection, estate strategy, and legacy planning without any shame, overwhelm, or confusion. Inside, we share tools, strategies that empower you to organize your finances with intention, legally protect what you build, create a smart plan that outlives you. You get access to training, community support designed for women who want more than just money. They want peace. They want power. They want protection. And again, I'm going to be real with you. I didn't always have this plan either. I have the education. I got the income. I get the respect. But I didn't have the security. And one day, my financial advisor directly told me, this was about 5 years ago, that if something happened to me, then my family, they would have been grieving. Maybe. Hopefully, most of them would be, but I can't speak for all of them. They would be grieving, but also guessing. That's why this matters so much to me. And now, I've walked this process, and I'm helping other women through it as well. One sister even told me, TaQuita, thank you. You don't know how much all of this has been weighing on me. Now I feel like I can finally sleep better at night. That's what secure the bag society is really about. It's not just about the money. It's not about just feeding you information about the law. It's not about all that paperwork and not about numbers. It's about peace. Peace for you and peace that outlives you. This, you get it? I was her. Now I choose to lead her. One plan, one decision, one breakthrough at a time. This is for you, like us. We got the money. What we learned without a plan, it would just lead us to no legacy. Let's go create a smart plan together, just one step at a time. I need you to start here. Join to secure the bag society and take your first step toward legacy clarity, not just the cash. I need to clear something up though. We still gonna be stacking high and still stand fly, but now with power, protection, and preparation. So, if you done playing with your piece, you done pretending that a paycheck is a plan, then come on, join us. Hit that link and join the Secure the Bag Society. Let's build the kind of legacy that's too protected to be lost and too powerful to be ignored. We're not just stacking wealth, we're securing the why behind it. So let's go. I want to thank you for joining me. Next time, I'm going to see you in the next video. Hey, wait. You want more information? Then scan this QR code or click that link in the description box below.